Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to take a look at dollar yen and the reasons why we could be seeing the market rally and why we looked at buying it in the first place. So really, we've just identified that the US dollar is at key support. So in the Forex market outlook and the video on Kiwi dollar yesterday, we spoke about the fact that the dollar index is at $92, a huge important level on the dollar, and we actually saw a little bit of a rejection of that. So we were looking at the charts, we were seeing what major currency pairs were at levels, and we also saw the yen at 104. Now 104 is a pretty big level on dollar yen, which is somewhere just around here. And what we noticed was price had recently reacted from this area multiple times on the daily time frame, okay? And what we had yesterday was a really nice bullish engulfing candle. Now, we also looked at the stock market and we saw the stock market was rallying. Now, in that moment, typically we get the stock market rallying. We've got dollar at support. Yen should weaken slightly, okay? So we were looking at dollar yen for long opportunities. And what we actually looked for was the pullback entry. So what I did was I placed a fib on the high of the candle to the low of the candle, and with these big engulfing candles, typically we see a pullback before we see the extension move, like this move in here where we have this big bearish engulfing candle. If we had fibbed from the low to the high, we can see that the 38.2 fib price comes into that and we see the extension of the move. So that's what I was looking to do here. I was looking for price to come into the 38.2 and start the rally again. Now we've actually missed that move by about 9 pips, okay? So unfortunately for us, it's not triggered our position. So what I did then was I was eyeing up the 4-hour time frame and watching how price reacted to the previous structure highs, because now we're seeing the market trend. Typically in those trended environments, we see this happen where the market starts forming higher highs, higher lows. We look to buy from these dips, buy from where the market has previously found some type of resistance before, okay? So very much in the downtrend situation here, you can see the market rallies, retest lows, rallies, retest lows, and so on and so forth. Now we've broken out. I was expecting the market to retest, just drop a little bit lower towards that 104 level again, and then rally to the upside. Unfortunately, it hasn't dropped back in the way that we expected, but has retested the previous 4-hour high. So what I actually did was looked at the 15-minute time frame for an entry, and we can see here I've entered a new position recently, and what happened was, or what I'd look for on the 15-minute time frame, is the market's going to an oversold condition, and we can see that the 15-minute is actually trending against us at this moment in time. So when I see that and price at 4-hour support, what I look for then is the market to be in an oversold condition and then a breakout, and we can see here that the market has broken out of this recent swing high. So I've entered a position here, stops below the lows, and what I'm expecting is dollar yen to continue to break to the upside, okay? So what I'm actually going to do is our previous order, I'm just going to delete that now because that move could be gone, and I'm looking for the market to continue to break to the upside on dollar yen. Potential pullback into the high first before we see it move, but at the end of the day, the market has formed a new high on the 15-minute time frame after finding support at the previous 4-hour structure after going oversold. Looking for this market to extend up now, and we can see from the daily time frame we have a little bit of room to go up into this next resistance point, which are these previous structure highs around about 105.50 is the area I'm looking at really, or 105.40s through here, okay? So let's see how the market reacts. Let's see if we can get that push to the upside, but it's looking pretty good here for the extension up. I like the fact that the 4 hours made new highs, pulled back and retested previous structure highs, and that the 15-minute has changed cycle. So looking for dollar yen longs, look at this nice potential long opportunity in here, and I'll speak to you soon.